So today we have, this is Play Scale Rex. My brother already took it out of the packaging, but just an action figure. This is $18 Canadian. His mouth can open. His head can turn at a 360-degree angle. Arms can move up and down. His legs move. His tail can move at a 360-degree angle as well. And then along with the tip of his tail. So good for posing, but yeah. There he is, standing up. I don't know what else to say about him except that he's play scale and he's from Mattel. And I think he's good for the price, but yeah, if you want an action figure of Rex, this is a good one. Now we have the running Woody. So apparently he runs. Pull my string to get running. So I guess we'll see how this works. Comes with his hat. His hat feels, yeah, his legs are kind of floppy. I think that's how the mechanism works, so I think we just stand him up and oh, I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, now it's not working.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole. Well, howdy, nice to see ya. This town ain't big enough for the two of us. There's a snake in my boots. Well, howdy, I'm Sheriff Woody. We're in this together, partner. Hey, who's got my hat? A sheriff always needs his deputy. Nice to see ya, partner. Yes, sir, time to round us up an adventure. Thanks to deputies like you, the Wild West is safe. Howdy, folks. Coast clear? Reporting for duty, Sheriff. Hey, howdy, hey. I'd like to join your posse, boys, but first I'm going to sing a little song. Where's my rope? Howdy. You're my favorite deputy.
Yeah, I think that's all the phrases. And then, oh, apparently there's more.
Hey, howdy, hey.
To move his arms in a different
Oh.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole. Well, howdy, nice to see ya.
I feel like those are the same phrases.
This town ain't big enough for the two of us. There's a snake in my boots. Well, howdy, I'm Sheriff Woody. We're in this together, partner.
Okay, I feel like that's all of them. But he says a lot of things, and he goes with this. You're supposed to buy the Critter Colin Jesse with this, because they're from the same line.
Piggy, come on now. Yeah, over here. Let's Yodo. Nice pig. Nice stinking pig. I know. I'm happy to see you too. Shh. Now come on, boy. Let's go.
Okay, I feel like that's all I have to say.
Come on. Let's wrangle up some fun.
Jesse still has more to say, though, I guess. But that's the running Woody and play scale action figure Rex. Thank you for watching. I know nothing about Toy Story toys. My brother just wanted me to talk about these. I like Toy Story a little bit, but not as much as him. But I think that's about it. So, goodbye, and I'll see you next time.